So let's directly get to the point that how you can add a Snapchat widget to your iPhone screen. It may be a friends chat or a group chat, or that widget may also lead to Snapchat camera or wherever you want. All will be covered in this single video tutorial. So for that purpose, you have to first of all go to your lock screen. For example, this is my lock screen, and after that you have to tap and hold on that screen, and you will get the option to customize that screen in the bottom. So tap on this customize button, and after that you have to choose whether you want to add the widget on your home screen or lock screen. So you gotta tap on lock screen. So tap on lock screen, and after that, for adding a widget, you have to tap on this button right here, add widgets. Tap on it and you will get different options for adding widgets to your lock screen. You have to scroll down and scroll more until you find Snapchat. So tap on Snapchat and you will find different options and widgets to add here on this screen. For example, if I add this widget here, it will be used to redirect me to Snapchat camera. You can choose any of the interface of the widget. You can also choose this or that one. So let me remove it, and after that, if I scroll next, here you will see the option to add the widget for redirecting you to your friend or group chat. You have to simply choose the interface of that widget from both of these. For example, if I choose this interface, and after that let me close it and close again and press the done button. Press the home button, and now when I tap on this widget here, it will directly redirect me to Snapchat camera. If I tap on the widget of this friend, it will redirect me to the chat of this specific friend. Now, how to select that where this widget should lead to? Means if you want to choose a different friend or group chat, then how will you do so? For that purpose, you have to tap and hold on your lock screen and press the customize button, press the lock screen. For example, let me first of all remove it and again go to Snapchat, and just after you add a widget here, after that tap on the widget of that specific friend. It will allow me to choose the friend or group chat I want to redirect myself to. Let me choose it from here. I have to select another friend from here, and after that close it, and now you can see that that friend has been replaced and I will be redirected to this specific friend's chat. You can also select any group from this list if you have joined anyone. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.